So, you've got yourself a car and you're thinking, it's just gas and go, right? Well, not exactly. If only our cars were as low maintenance as, say, our favorite fast food burgers. But unless you want your ride to turn into a shiny driveway ornament, there are a few things you've got to do. Let's dive into the basics of keeping that car of yours happy and healthy. First up, oil. Think of oil as your car's lifeblood. No oil, no go. Checking your oil regularly is like checking your phone battery. Ignore it too long and it's game over. Pop the hood, find that dipstick. No, not the guy who cut you off this morning. And make sure your oil level is between the lines. Too low? Top it up. Next, we've got tire rotation. No, we're not talking about doing donuts in the parking lot. It's about making sure your tires wear evenly. Trust me, it'll save you from the "I need new tires" shock at the shop, and your tires will thank you by lasting longer. Oh, and brakes. If your car sounds like it's auditioning for a horror movie with all the squeaking and screeching, it's time to check them. Brakes are kind of important, for that whole stopping thing. Just saying. So that's the basic car maintenance 101. It's not rocket science, it's more like making sure your toaster still toasts. Keep your car happy and it'll keep you on the road, and not on the side of it with smoke coming out of the hood. Until next time, drive safe and maybe, just maybe, give your car a little TLC.